Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, good breakfast, I don't know. It's your host Rob again from I-25 Kia. Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm having a wonderful day. Beautiful weather, it's springtime. I'm borrowing another car. Today we're in the Sorento SX, which is perfect for what I want to do today. So I've traveled to Nederland, and we're gonna travel along the peak-to-peak highway. It's actually Highway 72 that goes from Nederland to Allens Park. It is arguably the most scenic drive in Colorado. That is because this highway travels along the Front Range, but also brushes up against the Rocky Mountains. From where I'm starting, it's about 40 miles. It'll take about an hour and 4 minutes, but I'm gonna take my time because it's a scenic drive and you don't need to be driving fast on these windy roads anyway. So we'll go find our first scenic spot to look at. Goodness. Oh. All right. Well, I would love to be outside and show you guys this view, but it's so freaking windy. But anyway, yeah, it's pretty out there. That's all you need to know. But the peak-to-peak highway, let me wait for that wind. Woo, that's cold. I dressed a little inappropriately because I thought it was spring. My gosh, this wind behind me. Can you stop? I'm trying to film a vlog here. No respect. Well, I don't think Mother Nature's gonna give me a second. So let me get in the Sorento again. Like I was saying, the peak-to-peak highway is a great test for the Sorento. Reason number one is the weather's pretty unpredictable. You don't know if it's gonna be snowing, you don't know if it's gonna be super freaking windy, but with this vehicle's fully active all-wheel drive, you have electronic sensors that monitor road conditions. Snow, sleet, rain, gravel, dirt. Reason number two is you have the torque vectoring corner control. It helps you on windy roads, such as I-72, but it also helps you handle your braking power. Whenever you hit your brakes, it actually puts more brake power into the inside rear wheel. And you guys could see how loud it was out there because of the wind. Do you hear how quiet it is in here right now? It's actually quite unbelievable. So they have a few things that they've utilized in the Sorento to give you this quiet drive. You have these acoustic windows. You also have better construction to make a quieter ride. The foundation of this guy, the skeleton, the shell, whatever, it is a high tensile strength steel alloy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is snow heading right for us. I'm gonna set this up as a time lapse and we'll wait for it to hit us. Whew, kinda don't wanna drive into that. But I shouldn't be worried. I got the fully active all-wheel drive. Let's do this. And just like that, the storm is over. It's a pretty common phrase here in Colorado to just wait 5 minutes for the weather to pass. There's your proof. Never mind, it's back. It's back. Let's see how far we can drive until this lens gets covered up by snow. Let's go. I'm pretty sure that was enough. This is a very cool building. This is St. Catherine's Chapel. Very beautiful building. All right, let's go. It's freezing. Oh my God. Start up that engine, okay. Turn on the heated seat. Let's crank up that heat. So let's turn on that heated steering wheel. Okay. I love driving in the snow, especially when you have a vehicle that's equipped for it. It's fully active all-wheel drive. This also has magical windshield wipers, which I did not even know was a thing. The windshield sensed that it was raining and they just turned on. The peak-to-peak highway was made in 1918. It was declared by the Colorado Department of Transportation as a scenic byway, the first scenic byway of Colorado. It passes unmatched views of the Front Range of the Rocky Mountains. It also passes by a couple of ghost towns as well as several gold mines. So you guys know how sunglasses work, how they like polarize and they can enhance the colors. Well, look at these tinted windows. Yeah, that's a big difference. If you're looking for a good scenic drive, this would be my peak. See what I did there? Peak, pick. So I made it to Allen's Park. We need to head back to the studio. Because 34 is still closed, I have to detour and go back through Longmont. At least it's a beautiful drive. And the sun's coming out again. Alright, we've made it back to the studio, and I am tired. If you guys enjoyed the adventure we had today, make sure to check out some of my previous uploads. If you guys have any questions about this Sorento SX Limited, make sure to go to I-25 Kia and talk to the car experts. And if you want to help me out, please like and subscribe. I really enjoy doing this, but I can only continue doing this if you guys are enjoying it. I hope you learned a little bit about this Sorento, and I hope you take the opportunity to go explore the peak-to-peak highway for yourself. Until next time,